In this video, I wanted to look in a bit more detail at one of our new titles, Achieving Sustainable Production of Milk, Volume 3, Dairy Herd Management and Welfare, which is edited by Emeritus Professor John Webster of the University of Bristol. Part 1 looks at welfare, Part 2 at nutrition, and Part 3 at health. I wanted to pick out a couple of chapters to show you the wealth of material that's in the volume. The first chapter is Chapter 2 by Professor Jan Hultgren of the Swedish University of Agricultural Sciences, which looks at key issues in the welfare of dairy cattle. These issues include housing with potential problems of restricted movement, the focus on milk yield in areas such as breeding with potential implications for health, and the issue of disrupted social structures, for example in the treatment of heifers and calves. The chapter goes on to show how we might be able to reconcile what we know about the natural social behaviour of cattle with the demands of more intensive production systems. The second chapter I wanted to look at is Chapter 7 by Professor Lilio Guan of the University of Alberta, which summarises current knowledge about rumen microbial diversity, ecology and function. The chapter reviews research on factors affecting the composition of the rumen microbiota and how this can be used to improve rumen function, and it demonstrates the central role of the rumen in ruminant production and health. Well, I'll conclude, if I may, by going back to the book as a whole and quoting Professor Richard Dewhurst of SRUC in the UK. And he said, "There can be few people in the world better qualified to edit a new book about nutrition, health and welfare of dairy cattle than John Webster. He has assembled a strong team of authors to provide comprehensive coverage of key topics." Well, we very much hope you enjoy reading the volume.